Hi, this is the Zenfone 10 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So open first the box. Lots of chalk. So we got here the SIM jack tool, some paperwork like the user guide, the warranty card, and the protective case in black color, the original one. So also let's check the other accessories. So this is the USB cable, the Type-C cable, and the charger, the adapter, the original one with the all of the specifications. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.